Okay. All right, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you guys here with us tonight. I hope you guys are doing well. And I do hope that the stream is not lagging too bad. Cheers. Seems like it's been one thing after another, but here we are. And we've got a major development, right? XRP ETF set to launch on June 18th. Now, I do have a poll in the chat. Is it priced in already? Are we selling the news? Or is it moon time? What say ye in the chat? Is it time for XRP to moon? Or are we selling the news? Is it already priced in? Plume. Okay, you guys got me interested. Greenfingers and Deadwood in the chat talking about Plume got me interested. I'm going to have to take a look. Bitcoin holding strong at 107. I mean, seriously, though, look at this. Look at this. Look at this beautiful, beautiful setup on the 15-minute right here for BTC. I mean, we got a MACD cross on the 15-minute. You're just blasting off above resistance. Got a nice little higher low here and a little double bottom action going on. Beautiful. Okay, and XRP doing the same exact thing. Look at this. On the 15-minute, we look almost identical here. Almost identical. And there goes the lag, and I do apologize if the stream is lagging on you guys. See, we were crossing 10 viewers, and then we getting the lag, man. Every time we get up, we start getting some viewers, and then bam, it's gonna hit us. I don't know. I'll get that figured out though and sorted out eventually, one way or the other. But yeah, BTC on the move. I do think XRP is gonna follow suit here. It does look like it. We've got a MACD cross on the 15-minute XRP chart as well, so it does look good. It does look good, but I do wish that we could figure out what the hell, man. Come on now. Yeah. So Purpose Investments Incorporated has received a final prospectus receipt for its new product, the Purpose XRP ETF, and is expected to begin trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange on June 18th under the ticker symbol XRPP. According to the press release, this new ETF will give investors direct exposure to XRP. The ETF will come in three versions: a Canadian dollar hedged unit, XRPP, a Canadian dollar non-hedged unit, XRPP.B, and a US dollar unit, XRPP.U. All versions can be held in registered accounts like tax-free savings accounts and registered retirement savings plans. The OSC's granting of a receipt for the Purpose XRP ETF prospectus reinforces Canada's global leadership in building a regulated digital asset ecosystem. Vlad Tasovetsky, CIO at Purpose Investment, said in the press release, "We're proud to continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the space by offering investors simple, secure access to the infrastructure powering real-world blockchain adoption." This adds up to the list of ETF offers from the investment company. Purpose has already launched an ETF in Bitcoin and Ethereum, which were both approved last year. Meanwhile, the SEC is still yet to make any decision on an XRP ETF. So far, there have been a number of applications, but the SEC has delayed its decision, citing that it needs more time to review them. However, there's high chance that applications from ProShares and Franklin Templeton might be the first ones to get approved. So we do have big news, right? XRP has seen some momentum on the XRP ETF news, right? And this is just a couple of days away. So we'll just have to, wait and see. Is it priced in already, or will we see more bullish action. So we did get this nice run here, right? XRP got a nice run. Look, Bitcoin is ready to go. It does look ready to go. But let's take a look here. Is it lagging back? I can tell, man, because every time we got up to like, what, 12 viewers just then? And then, boom, now we're down to 5 because of the lag. I don't know what to do, man. I did finally get the this part figured out, right? I chatted with Streamlabs support in Discord, and we were able to get this figured out. We actually got, like, it's doing what it's supposed to do now. And you can tell we've been live for 21 minutes, and we got 41 views. That's phenomenal. I mean, that's great, dude. That's great compared to how it's typically been. So now if I can just figure out the lag issue, man, if I have to buy a new computer, man, I swear it's been one thing after another with this. And, nobody's going to stay and watch a stream if it's really laggy. Nobody's going to stay and watch it. So I don't know. And what's crazy is, like, it'll come and go. Like, it'll be laggy 1 minute, and then the next minute it's doing fine. I don't know if it's settings. I don't know what I've done, but I got to figure this out, man. I got to get us going, man. Hell Blah, what's up? Good to see you, my man. I hope you're doing well. We out here just chilling in the lag. Just chilling in the lag, watching XRP price bounce, 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 and XRP at $2.25, curling up here. Honestly, looks good on the 15-minute. Bitcoin and XRP looking very similar. And if XRP follows suit, we should see the price run from here to the top of this indicator, possibly up here. We're looking at running up at least 5 cents here. Take the help, Joe, right? I mean, seriously, at this point, I need somebody to build me a damn computer, obviously. I swear, bro, this is ridiculous. I mean, I got the connection between my streaming software and YouTube figured out. Now I got to figure out, is it my settings that's causing the lag? Is it my internet connection that's causing the lag? Or is it my PC being trash that's causing the lag? I am on Wi-Fi. How'd you know? I mean, I told myself, I was like, look, I'm just going to do it. I don't care. I got one issue figured out finally, so I'm happy with that. I'm just going to do it. We're just going to do the stream. We're going to get a bunch of people in here. Like, watch, it's going to come up. We're going to come up, and then it's going to lag us out, and everybody's going to leave. But I don't care. I'm going to seriously just ride this live stream out, even if it's just a short one. We might have a short one tonight. And then I'll work on figuring these issues out, and hopefully we won't have these issues tomorrow night. That's the best I can do, right? That is the best I can do. I apologize for the lag. I know it sucks. What is this music that's trash? Bro, okay. I'll do my best. Oh no, not this song. I remember this one. Oh gosh. All right. All right. I'm going to go over this one more time and let's see. Hell Blah, no, actually my CPU is at 28-30%. And right now it went up to 40%, but it's bouncing between 30 and 40 to 28 actually. So I mean, I don't know why I'm skipping frames and losing bitrate here. It's got to be my drivers or something, graphics card drivers, something. I don't know. That or it's my settings possibly. Take profit targets for XRP. Let's dive into the XRP chart. I do hope that if anyone is watching this stream, I hope that you can bear with the lag and long enough to stick around and hang out for some juicy price action. And if not, then hopefully tomorrow would be better. Oh my god, what happened here? And see, look. And then there we go again with that. What is going on? What the hell? What the hell? See, and my microphone keeps on wigging out on me. Like my microphone just straight up power surged on me. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on. I know that if the lag was fixed right now, this stream would be doing phenomenal. We'd have probably about 100 people in here right now. Seriously. Seriously. If it wasn't for the darn lag. What about your video card usage? No weekly charts. Hold on. I don't know what to do except the only thing I could try to do is I could try to exit. I could try to stop Streamlabs. I could stop Streamlabs without ending the stream and try to change the settings really fast. That's the only thing I know to do. And see if that would fix it. I'm going to try it, man. I don't know if I can do that, though. It might screw up everything. Okay, I don't know. I changed a little something around in the settings. We'll see if that helps. I don't know. Probably not going to help, but we'll see. Still saying poor quality. Bro. I don't know. It's still doing it. Okay, I think we're back for a second. Did we get a little bit good quality there for a second? Okay. Seemed like we did. Oh, yeah. Higher low. MACD cross, higher low. 15-minute price action for XRP looks phenomenal. Phenomenal. If you want to test it, take your setup to a different location and try to rule out if it's the computer or the internet. Hellblog, great idea. I will actually probably do that. I do have a laptop that I used to use for all my live streams. I can try it. Last time I went live on my laptop, it did great. So it could be this computer. Bad graphics card drivers, something like that, possibly. But I don't know, though, because I've done plenty of live streams, though. You know, it's got to be settings. It's something to do with my settings. It's got to be. Okay, you know what? I can't take it no more. We're gonna try it. What do you think, guys? I think I should try it. I'm gonna try to not end the live. I'm not gonna end the live, but I'm going to stop Streamlabs, go into settings really fast, try to change some things around, and then go live. Damn it. I could try, because we just keep skipping frames. And it's just not showing enough. It's not going to do well. It's just not going to do well. But I will say that the stream, as far as like normal engagement goes, oh, it's much better. It's much better, but I got to figure out the skip frames. Yeah, Hellblaw, I got to work it out, because if I could get it worked out, man, the stream would perform great. You know, we would do very well. I do believe. I do believe. But it's a matter of the lag not being too much of an issue. Okay, so XRP is definitely setting up for a bullish move here. I'm looking for it to follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin's leading, and Bitcoin has already seen the 15-minute time frame price action run on up here. And I do think that that's exactly, in my opinion, if you look with that higher low, man, above the LSMA, it definitely looks like we're coming up here. We are coming up close to $2.30. If we break that range, I do think we'll go higher. $100%. If we invert this chart, this thing looks like it's ready to dump, or should I say pump. Gosh dang, dude. It's killing me. Okay. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was definitely... Look at that. Oh, for sure. You know what? I do think it is a 2.4G. I do believe. I think I should probably try to update that. Yeah, I need to update that for sure. Hellblaw, I really appreciate you, my man. And I do have it set to dynamically change bitrate when dropping frames while live. So it should be changing the bitrate if it drops frames. But yeah, like I've had 100% dropped frames over the last 2 minutes. It's crazy. So yes, we got to figure this out, man. We've absolutely got to figure this out. Oh my gosh, look at the 5 minute. I mean, it is just, it's really hurting us, y'all. I mean, we're getting up there and then bam, it's really hurting us. I'm going to just roll through the next few minutes of this, and then if I have to, we will start all over if we have to. But yeah, the 5 minute. Oh my gosh, look, bro. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at these, bro. Upload speed. Let me do that real quick. Let me see, because I don't think it's my speed. I think it has to be something to do with my settings. Hey, Hellblog, can I ask you this? Let me ask you this. In settings, so let's see. In settings, let's see. When I go to video, or when I go to output on settings, where it says, or no, video, when I go to video, frames per second type, I have it set as common FPS values. Is that what I should have selected? Common frames per second? Or there's like fractional or integer. Yeah, I don't know nothing about that or which ones I should use. Oh, there's no way that's right. It just said my internet speed was 17 megabytes per second. No way that's right. If that's the case, then no wonder I'm lagging, bro. Yeah, if that's the case, no wonder I'm lagging. $2.30 is the measure move target out of this pattern, and that's exactly where I just mentioned. I was like, we're gonna at least break out. If we break out, we're at least gonna run up about a 5 cent jump for XRP. There's no functional difference in how the system handles these values, but some users report issues with lag when using non-standard integer values. Okay, so integer. So I need to use integer. Okay. So maybe I should be using that. But yeah, $2.30 looks very good. We got support back here at $2.30. Wicked down right here and bounced big on $2.30 once again. Breakdown point also at $2.30 XRP. So let's get it. Let's get a move out of this little ascending triangle here. Lambo. What's up, Vimos? XRP is so trash. Sold mine for BTC. Best thing I ever did. I mean, I can't. You ain't wrong for selling XRP for Bitcoin, honestly. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I don't see anything wrong with that. Nothing's wrong with that at all. No. Go to search for device manager, click network adapters. Okay, Hellblaw, I do appreciate you taking the time to check on that for me. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, I just dropped all the way down to 0 kilobytes per second on the frame rate. It's literally just trash. Man. Man. That's okay, because as soon as we get this figured out, man, these streams are about to be baller. Okay? It's okay. We'll get it figured out. Next stream, we will have all the glitches sorted out. Okay, let's see. One sec. Wait. What the hell? So my Wi-Fi is not even working right now. The only thing I'm connected to right now is the... What the heck? Hold on. Well, no wonder. Bro, no wonder. I'm not even connected to the Wi-Fi. What? Okay. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. This might help. Hold on. Let me see if this helps. Let's see if this will help. Okay. Well, okay. Why is it still? It is still doing it though, but I can't tell. I can't tell if we're good or not. I can't tell if it helped or not. Can you guys tell if the stream is any better? No, we're still dropping frames. Dang, bro. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do something, man. But hey, I at least I know. I know now. I do know. I do know that once we get all these things figured out, man, we're gonna have some party streams. Okay, we're gonna celebrate once we have a successful 100% successful live stream. We are going to celebrate like crazy while still, you know, following the community guidelines, of course. But man, so as of right now, it's showing we're okay. I think we're okay for a second. I don't know how long it'll last, but it shows excellent connection right now. So let's see. Let's see if it can last long enough for XRP to break out of this pattern, because it's going to happen here in the next few minutes. We got at least On the 15-minute time frame, we don't have much more space here. So I'd say at least maybe the next 2 hours. I'd say in the next 2 hours, within the next 2 hours, XRP will break out of this pattern. Let's see. The only thing I changed was I unplugged. So I have a USB Wi-Fi adapter, and so I noticed that it wasn't even showing up on my adapter. So I unplugged it, replugged it back in, and connected to the Wi-Fi as well as Ethernet cable connection. And then I went into settings and changed a little something on Streamlabs, but I'm still dropping frames. I just dropped frames just now. But I did change something in Streamlabs. Let's see, what was that? Where it says enable new networking code, I disabled that, or I unchecked that to see if that would make a difference. But okay, did we lag just then? I think we did a little bit. But hey, the next 2 hours, XRP will break out of this pattern. Now, just in case we were to go to the downside, support at 222. However, obviously, if you look on the 15-minute, XRP definitely has this previous resistance down here as the major leg of support. You got the POC down here at about $2.16. And then we've got this previous resistance here that we are going to just go ahead and put a line in there. That's about 217. So we're looking at that like 215 to 217 range, $2.17, $2.15. This little bitty range right here is going to be that lowest level of support for XRP. That's going to be that lowest level of support. Now, that's bearish, but I'd say that this would probably be too much. We shouldn't even speculate on that, but way too low, down around 212. All this right here should hold us up before we would even think about doing that. Try fully disabling the Ethernet adapter. Oh, well, I don't know if that might mess things up right now. I don't know. Yeah, because it is still doing it. I just wonder if I reset my internet real quick, I wonder if it would work. I just wonder if that would help. Poser, Exposer, what's going on? Thanks for dropping that comment in the chat. We got a war dump. Good news. Canadian XRP ETF launches soon, June 18th. Very soon. Hellblaw, I agree with you, man, because this stream has really, I mean, taken off. Less than an hour, we're already at 137 views. That's phenomenal compared to our previous streams and how they performed. So, yeah. Definitely working those kinks out, man, slowly but surely. I may try to do that. I may try to reset my router real quick. So the stream I might lose connection on the stream for a second, but as long as it reconnects quickly, The stream should stay live, but I'll be right back. I'll see if I can. We'll try that. I'll try resetting the router real quick, because I mean, yeah, because my internet speed is showing like stupid slow. Stupid slow. Yeah. I mean, like, don't even make sense slow. No, there's something wrong. Yeah. Maybe let's try that. We'll see if it works. Hellblaw, again, I do appreciate you, man. Let's see if we can get it to work. I hate it because it's gonna disconnect us for a sec, but I'll be right back. Okay. All right, XRP, don't go nowhere. XRP, do not break out yet. Wait till I'm back before you decide to break out. Okay. Don't do it yet. I know you want to. You're right there. You're pushing it. You're ready. You're ready. But you need to hold on. Just slow your roll. Look at it. Man, as I speak. Leverage trading is the only way.